Let's make delicious goat curry with rice and peas. Goat curry with the rice and peas combo recipe is here. I was asked about this recipe and here I am delivering the easiest simple way you can make this recipe at home by yourself. It's gonna take around an hour to hour and a half, but you will have good, delicious, consumable food in a better tasting way. This is the goat leg. This is not the whole goat meat. This is half of it, so this is approximately about 2 pounds. I have taken the pieces, the bone marrow is in there and it has the meat chunk with it. So once you are making this goat curry, make sure you use the goat leg meat. It comes so nice, it's tender, it's flavorful. You can use mixed meat in there as well, but as a suggestion, if you want to make my recipe, try this out. It's gonna be so wonderful. So first thing first, we will need a large yellow onion for this recipe. We will chop it into small pieces. For fine curries, we have to blend our onion. So here goes the onion. Half cup of water. Yes sir. Blend this. Regular half onion and water smoothie is ready. I'm using Dutch oven for this recipe. If you have a stock pot, you can use a stock pot, but have a pot for this recipe at least. Use clarified butter for this goat curry. So we will take at least 4 tablespoons. The stove is on high flame. High flame means I have put the stove at 400 degrees. This is clarified butter. If you don't have it, you want to use olive oil, be my guest, use it. This smoothie right here. We still have half more onion to go. Goes in here. Here's the trick. You will take fresh cloves of garlic, at least 6 of them, or 7. I like garlic flavor, so they go in here. You will take ginger, at least 30 grams of fresh ginger. You want to remove the skin, you can, but use fresh ingredient for this goat curry. At least 30 grams of fresh ginger goes here. We will add again half cup of water. Here is the blend and let's add it right here. So at this point we will at least stir fry this smoothie for 10 minutes until it changes the color. At least we have to make our onions, garlic and ginger light brown in color. And let's wait just 10 minutes. It's been 10 exact minutes. Yeah, it's a little hot. Let me put this on the side. And look at this, our onion, garlic, ginger. Look at this bone marrow and the goat meat. We'll land all these beautiful 2 pounds of the goat leg meat in here. Here we have to stir fry our goat meat at least for 10 minutes. In the 10 minutes time frame, what we have to do, we have to season this meat. So for the seasoning, let's look at here, all these dry seasonings. This is turmeric, 1 whole tablespoon of turmeric, 1 whole tablespoon of salt, 1 whole tablespoon of coriander powder, 1 whole tablespoon of the cumin powder, 1 whole tablespoon of the black pepper, 1 whole tablespoon of the red chili powder, 2 of the dry bay leaves, curry leaves. These are optional. If you don't want to use it, don't do it. We are making the goat curry, right? So we have to use curry leaves. At least 3-4 leaves, just add it right here. We will take at least 4 to 5 green cardamom, stir fry this. Look at all this dry seasonings. Stir fry this at least for 10 minutes. Keep moving your spoon in here. We want the best flavor ever possible for this goat curry. After 10 minutes of stir frying, this is how your whole ingredients, they should look like this. You have stir fried the meat, you have stir fried the onions, and now we have to move to the next step. For the next step, we will take fresh tomatoes here, add it, let's add it right here. Whole yogurt, at least 4 tablespoons. After adding the yogurt, this is baking cup, we will take 1, 2, 3 and 4. 4 whole cups of water. Put your stove onto medium. Medium means at least 250 degrees. Let's cover this oven. It's on the medium flame at 250 degrees. Cook it for at least 30 minutes. Once you see your meat is tender. Now what we will do, we will make our delicious rice with peas in a rice cooker. This is the rice cooker. So this is 1 cup, another half cup. We will take green peas. If you are using canned green peas, just make sure 1 baking cup, half tablespoon of the salt, you see this, half tablespoon of the cumin seeds, 2 cups of water, they go in here. This is a rice cooker recipe right here. 1 whole tablespoon of the olive oil, give it a mix. Easy rice and peas recipe. And let's close this, put it on to cook, and it's going to take around 20 minutes, and in 30 minutes, almost 25 minutes, our delicious goat curry is been 35 minutes. This guy has been boiling up. We will take organic chilies. Let's add this. Just make sure your meat is super tender to the touch. Look at this. Cilantro leaves, chilies and cilantro. Rice cooker rice right here.